Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might not be the most glamorous, but it's an important one. Healthy digestion and elimination. We've all been there, that feeling of being backed up and uncomfortable. While the internet might be full of claims about magical poop now drinks, the reality is a little more nuanced. But fear not. There are some fantastic healthy beverages that can gently nudge your digestive system in the right direction. Today, we'll explore 6 delicious drinks that can promote regularity and leave you feeling lighter and more energized. Why is pooping important? Before we dive into the drinks, let's talk about why regular bowel movements are essential for good health. Think of your digestive system as a long, winding path. Food travels through this path, and your body absorbs nutrients along the way. Waste products are left behind, and if they stay there for too long, they can cause constipation and a whole host of unpleasant issues. Bloating. This uncomfortable feeling is caused by trapped gas in your intestines. Stomach cramps. Constipation can lead to painful muscle contractions in your abdomen. Hemorrhoids. Straining to have a bowel movement can put pressure on the veins in your rectum, leading to hemorrhoids. Increased risk of colon cancer. While research is ongoing, some studies suggest a link between chronic constipation and an increased risk of colon cancer. The 6 power poop drinks. Now that we know why regularity is key, let's get to those drinks. Number 1. Warm lemon water, the gentle wake-up call. We're starting with a classic warm lemon water. This simple drink is a gentle way to stimulate your digestive system in the morning. The warm water helps to activate your gut and get things moving, while the lemon juice adds a bit of acidity that can trigger your bowels. It's also a great way to rehydrate after sleep, which can be helpful for constipation. Pro tip: squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and enjoy it first thing in the morning. Number 2. Coffee, the caffeinated kickstart. Coffee lovers, rejoice! Your morning cup of joe can actually do your digestion a favor. Caffeine acts as a stimulant, not just for your brain, but also for your colon. It can trigger muscle contractions that help move stool through your system. However, be mindful. Too much coffee can dehydrate you, worsening constipation. Stick to 1 or 2 cups a day and prioritize water throughout the day. Number 3. Fiber-packed smoothie, the tasty transit booster. Who says healthy can't be delicious? Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in a ton of fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Look for fruits like berries, kiwi, and papaya, all high in fiber. Add a handful of spinach or kale for even more of a fiber boost. The fiber helps bulk up your stool and keeps things moving smoothly. Pro tip: use unsweetened plant-based milk or water as your base and add a scoop of protein powder for an extra satiating effect. Number 4. Apple juice, the natural laxative. Apple juice is a natural laxative thanks to its high concentration of fructose and sorbitol. These sugars draw water into your intestines, softening stool and promoting a bowel movement. However, apple juice is also high in sugar. Enjoy it in moderation, perhaps diluted with water to avoid a blood sugar spike. Number 5. Herbal tea, the soothing sip. Herbal teas have been used for centuries to promote gut health. Certain teas like peppermint or dandelion root tea may be particularly helpful. Peppermint tea can relax the muscles in your digestive system, while dandelion root tea is thought to stimulate bile production, which aids digestion. Pro tip: steep your tea for 5-10 minutes for the most potent flavor and benefits. Number 6. Chia seed drink, the overnight powerhouse. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses. They're high in fiber and have the incredible ability to absorb water, expanding in size. This can add bulk to your stool and promote bowel movements. You can soak chia seeds in water or milk overnight for a refreshing and fiber-rich drink in the morning. Pro tip: for a thicker consistency, use less liquid. For a thinner consistency, use more liquid. You can also add your favorite fruits. Alright, so we've talked about these fantastic drinks, but it's important to manage expectations. While some of these beverages can provide a gentle nudge, they probably won't cause an immediate bathroom break. Digestion is a complex process, and everyone's system works at its own pace. These drinks are best used as part of a healthy lifestyle that promotes regularity. Here are some additional tips. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day keeps your digestive system lubricated and helps things move smoothly. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day, but adjust based on your activity level and climate. Fiber is your friend. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps it pass through your system more easily. Aim for 35 grams of fiber per day from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Answer the call. Don't ignore the urge to go to the bathroom. Holding it in can lead to constipation in the long run. Exercise. Regularly, physical activity helps stimulate your digestive system and can promote regularity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's natural rhythm. Some people find they have a bowel movement after their morning coffee, while others might go after breakfast. Find a routine that works for you. When to see a doctor. If you're experiencing chronic constipation, or if you have any concerning symptoms like rectal bleeding or severe abdominal pain, it's important to see a doctor. They can help identify any underlying medical conditions and recommend the best course of treatment. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. By incorporating these healthy drinks into your routine, along with other lifestyle changes, you can promote regularity and keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. So, raise a glass, of water that is, to a healthier, happier you. Want more tips for healthy digestion? Check out our next video on gut-friendly foods. Thanks for watching!